I have overinvested by a lot.
I'm afraid that I won't move on if you never leave.
Bruh. free tip $25. A note to say thank you.
Hey, it's Smitty, man. Thanks for 25, Jay. Thanks for the thank yous back. He also welcomes the welcomes back. Thanks so much, dude. Thanks so much, Makeshift Player, for the 5 super chat. And wow, y'all are freaking amazing. Holy crap. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of conjecture in the chat right now about things that happened that were good or not good. And I mean, no, I'll just tell you, very well, very fine, very good. That's it. But it was so good that I feel like, wow, so much energy and happiness to maybe go live for a second time today. And maybe just in honor, literally, okay? I'm not here for you. I'm here because Bitcoin hit 42K, right? Bitcoin hit on the last 4-hour candle, $41,970. I mean, that's almost pretty much testing that inflection point from yesteryear. Just kidding. 1 year ago, January 8th. That one time, that first time in human history, Bitcoin saw right around $41,986. I mean, you pretty much just tested that as resistance, which is really cool. Nice. What else was it? Maybe near the 786 or the 886 anyway, right? You don't hear me? What's going on? Why is chat moving fast? Is the stream even on? Dude, chill with the conjecture of what you thought happened. Maybe like it was just a good time. Like that's literally it. And continuing that good time. Why not, man? Like, right? I mean, we're taking what we got, right? Hey, man, it's, I'll tell you this, man.
Appreciate
January.
You being here, man. Can we take a look at ENS? I just created my ETH name tonight.
Look at it. It's a dumpster fire. I don't know what you want to look at it. It's literally like terrible.
Feels like July 26th. That Sunday over the summer we had that short squeeze after a few days of ups turned off the lows. Thoughts?
July 26th, Joe. Do I remember? I don't know, man. July. Normally, I don't know, dude. July 24th of what year? Because July 26th of 2020, that'll be a good year. Oh, you're talking about this year? Oh, July 21st through the 21st was the real day. I don't know. Thinking about 26, I'm like, oh yeah, of course, 6 days after the 20, the bottom, 5-6 days after 26, where you just literally on the 4-hour on the 26, you rallied and then bearishly engulfed and then immediately rallied again. Oh, this will be the 26th. Oh, that he's talking about that and the sell-off. You haven't even done that though, right? If you just did what you're thinking, you haven't even drawn down to go test probably like at least 40,665, the daily candle high close from January 8th of last year. So no, not yet. You have to draw down first. Like this would have to do, if you're talking about July 26th, you have to do something like this. Okay. You haven't done that yet, so I don't know if you'll do that. I mean, I think at least, right? If where you're just testing is resistance, I mean, you'd think maybe you'd go, it'd be plausible to believe that the daily, it'd be plausible to believe that the candle high close from January 8th would be maybe at least back tested as support before going to moon or not, whatever. But at least it'd probably go, you'd probably go test it, right? That'd be amazing. I mean, if it could. Or the
current tip $21.21.
Is that a joint?
0.00703496 CDH.
Hey, Matthew, man, what's up? Thanks to 2121 Spin Connect. Dude, I'm already like lit. I'm like 3 sheets, man. I'm 3 sheeting. You understand what I'm saying to you right now? 3 sheeting, doing some TA. I don't know if a wheel spin would be advantageous for my life. I don't know, dude. It's tough. These are tough, tough requests. Yeah, dude. Dude, I'm like lit. So, I mean, like, you know, wheel spin's probably gonna possibly deteriorate the exuberance of the stream quality, I guess.
Rock on gesture.
Is that a joint?
So Beach Jedi 101. Is this like Beach Jedi class? How to be a Beach Jedi 101? What's like Beach Jedi 401, right? Like the more advanced classes. What kind of aspects of Beach Jediing do you go into? Chat. What would you talk about in Beach Jedi 401 if you were like in college? Like what would be, you know, the criteria? Does anyone have any idea what I'm talking about? If you don't, it's okay. Don't freak out. It's gonna be all right. It's gonna be good, dude. It's gonna be good because Bitcoin's testing $42,000 for the first time since it got devastated January 20th-ish. I mean, like, sorry. We got stuff going on over here. Yeah, how do you not like HBAR, little emo Eric M? Little emo Eric M. Yeah, HBAR. How can you not like HBAR? Chat. How can one that exists on this planet that cares about traditional technical analysis and harmonic patterns, at least, we're talking about divergence at the 886. This one just like it's been here. It's like no matter what's existed on any type of pathetic trash price action on so many other altcoins that literally, you know, it was bad, and then Bitcoin rallied and everything reversed, and then the Quran $251. Let's go.
Matthew Curran tipped $251.08. I meant flip smile feeling lucky.
Oh my God.
0.083317018.
Bruh, I already have the, you know, the, look, dude, I don't drink that often. I mean, but when I do, normally it's somehow when I'm on stream, but it's like, dude, I got that warm feeling, you know what I'm talking about? When you know your BAC's rather elevated. Dude, I mean, like, I know it's flip coin. I mean, I'll owe it. But, dude, chugging a beer right now, where I'm at, might be detrimental, right? It might, like, literally adversely affect everything that's happening right now, right? But here's the coin, okay? The B and the not B, okay? B equals chug debt. Certainly chug debt, whether I pay it now. Hey, look, man, I could be like the government, you know, or whatever. I'm just going to get in debt. And I'll pay it off. But I literally am not going to be like the government. I'll literally pay. I've always paid off my debts, right? The alcohol debts. Because it's what, dude? It's sacred. It's sacred stuff, man. We've been playing these games since the dawn of this community, going on, dude, like 4-year anniversary in 5 days. 5 days till the 4-year anniversary of the existence of anything about what you're watching, I guess, right? So that's cool, I guess. But we'll flip heads, the chug, debt, and then the tails never fails. We'll see if that happens again. Nope, I owe a chug. That landed all over the place, but I wasn't gonna mess with it. I wasn't gonna look. I was just gonna do it. So wow, that's unfortunate. That's unfortunate, but what are you gonna do, man? Right? Dude, it like landed all over the table. It was rolling around. It was like falling off the table. I caught it still, and then flipped it, and it was heads. So anyway, so yeah, like you know, you didn't get a confirmation low, but the whole, like, even in the description of like what was posted as like a potential setup, a trade setup, right, was the fact that like you got a low here in mid-December, and then on the second low that actually was the at 886, really. That might, I said like that might be what could be considered to be the confirmation low, one reaction low, reversal low. Still don't know. Like, you really have no idea if it is the confirmation low. You could always come back down and back test. But there was that divergence on the RSI on the second low that really, and where it was so nice.
Thanks. Much love.
Crons, man, what's up, dude? Yeah, we'll look at crypto.com coin. We'll look at Matthew Damon coin, dude. All right, that's Crow. Matthew Damon coin. Or Matt Damon. Why am I saying Matthew Damon? Whoever calls him Matthew Damon. I'm thinking about Matt D, but like it's like Matthew D. So I think it's like I'm thinking about Matthew Damon. Oh my God. Okay, all right. This is getting too much, man. This is tripping me out a little bit. But okay, so on the potential confirmation low, you've got the really nice RSI bullish divergence on the daily, right? Where it just clips oversold, right? Remember we talking about where it is? Like, I don't really know if I care about RSI that's showing divergence at 30 or 40, 33 or 35 to 40. I'd like to see it oversold. Roberto, man, let's go!
Roberto tipped $100.02. You rock. LOL. 0.00241159 BTC.
Roberto, stop talking about yourself, dude. Stop talking about yourself. Roberto would be very, very remiss if we didn't bring up HBAR and maybe Tron, right, Roberto, man? Tron is like kind of not as perfect because it actually went to a little bit deeper than the 886, but still the RSI, wow, the oversold twice, and on the second time it was that higher low on the RSI. It's so good, man. That's what you want, man. That's you covet that. We shall not covet in anything but TA variables. Okay, that's the ticket. Over and over and over again. All charts. Or all markets, right? Commodities market, equities market, cryptos market, forex market, doesn't matter. That's what you want always. The way it looks, okay? But, you know, hopefully when it's doing that, it's at 88% retraces, right? It's at, you know, levels where you would have maybe some support. I mean, there is a wick low from May of last year. But you're now just testing this high from February of last year. If you break it, though, I mean, you know, you got the previous high before you, but you could very well see like 8.2, 8.4 cents for a continuation of this reaction, a reaction that normally gets a 38% retrace if it's real, you know, if it's not a joke, from the high to the low. Normally on a type 1 return, chat, and I know I'm been drinking, I'm lit, feeling good. But normally, when you get a real reaction, people are like, is that a reaction or not? Normally, you want to see the asset rally, you know, to a 38% retrace at least before it starts drawing down to get you that type 2 return before moon. Right, you want a 382 at least. I mean, you might get it just a 236, but I think Scott Carney talks about you want to rally to 382. From the height of the harmonic to the bottom of it, right? So yeah, there could be more upside on a type 1. No doubt, man. No freaking doubt. Dude, remember we were looking at this earlier in the stream? Or earlier today? Sorry, not this stream, but the stream before. Talking about Alkaline Water Company. Look at this type 1. You want to see how high this retrace, chat? From A to D, the bottom? This thing went to a 50% retrace. I'm sorry. Yeah, it was like a 48% retrace. From the type 1, it rallied all the way up, right? and sold off again to type 2, and it took a while, man, from February 9th to April 20th.
Is that a join?
And I literally bottomed out there. It took that long to sell off, so the time it took, if you owned it from the type 1. That's why you want the type 2. Another reason why you like to buy the type 2 and not the type 1 is because the amount of time that would go by before it rallies, sells off, gets back to entry price the second time, because it's playing out this time, because other times it gets the type 2 and then fails. It rolls over and falls below stop losses, right? But like this time, it ended up like just getting back to entry, but it just took all that. You know, think about the time wasted, because like it took 109 days from the type 1 entry. I'm like, hey, I'm entering now on water, right, for the big trade. And then it rallies up that high, gets to 167, doesn't really get to, I mean, say you like are aggressive targeting like 179, and then, you know, I think you'd probably be going for like 260 on the second target. I mean, maybe 218, that kind of makes sense. Looking back, that's a really good point where it might reverse. So, I'm just saying, like, you spend, say you go long on the type 1 because it's just the harmonic, right? Then you have to deal with 109 days of making no money. You know, that money that you took on the type 1 goes nowhere. So, oh, we're dealing with inflation, but, you know, okay, it's not that bad. But, dang, dude, it's literal opportunity cost. You're wasting that much time. What happens if you were doing it literally the way it should be done, right? Once it bottomed out, right, on the type 2 in April of 2021, you know, and then really made a higher low. It gave you a confirmation low, my God, with accumulation argument on May 10th. I mean, around here, that's the entry. The real entry, I mean, the best entry. So, because, like, you know, shortly after it actually bottomed out and then confirmed the bottom, you know, it went up in 91 days, 134%. So it's just, that's why, like, type 2s are cool, you know. Dude, am I hearing something that just sounds maybe literally awful? I can't hear much of the music, but I hear very quiet things, and that quiet hearing that I just had was terrible. Bruh, it's like, you know what? It had to be done. I'm sorry. All right, it's no one's fault, really. It's no one's fault. Okay. Okay. So that was a little fun journey down water. Remember, on the type 2 returns, that's when we get our actual corporate, we get our sponsors. That's when the sponsors come in. That's when the news-driven catalysts from the composite operator come in, right? Remember, water, WTER. Look, it like, why was this a trade setup? Why did I even look at this? Someone requested it. We looked at it and I'm like, oh, sweet mother of God, look where you are at this inflection zone, and you have a bullish Gartley after the drawdown. Oh my God, the context, so good. It's ridiculous. But then, you know what you get after type 2? Composite Man calls up Shaquille O'Neal, and he's like, Shaquille O'Neal, will you do advertising with the Alkaline Water Company? And he's like, yeah. And then it continues to rally, and then you get like profit taking levels up here. Like, I mean, you rally extremely well, and then you sell off, and then what happens? Shaquille O'Neal's like, hey dude, I think I might want to take a shot on WTER with my own money now, strategically. So I might try to take a long at that same support where it you know, it reversed before. You broke out of the falling wedge. There's bullish divergence at this deep retrace. I mean, that's an 886 plus, man. So you're like value perceived areas, potentially a level of inflection where you reverse almost always. Now, you know, it could get worse. It could go down to 85 cents like it has done many, many times before. But, you know, if it is gonna, you can just have a really tight stop, like 99 cents, 98 cents or something stupid. But, you know, just because it's gonna go down to 85, it breaks below $1.
Hey brother, thanks for coming back for us. Can you have a G's at Theta, please?
Theta. You mean Theta? Yeah, well, look at Theta, Darren H. Yeah, Theta was wedging or something. It was doing something, dude. It was definitely doing something. All right, so I don't know, man. We were going. We was flowing. We was doing our thing, man. We was drinking beers. We was looking at charts. Blaine, no one's ever told me. I mean, maybe actually, you know what? Probably, like, several people have said that. I mean, I bet you money Brad probably knows. Some of the mods probably have seen it and been like, yes or no. I think someone said that before. Yeah. Okay. So we can move along, sir. Okay. So there's that asset that we were really, really looking at today on stream. Right. We was looking at Luna, and Luna, you know, it's like Bitcoin looks terrible. Well, this isn't very good. Bitcoin pumps. You know what? It's not bad, man. It's like, dude, it's like I gotta have something from the macro to make me feel better about these assets, right? And it's just like, okay, Bitcoin actually had an impulse candle. Some people literally bought it and broke it at least out of one resistance or a couple resistances now, and testing a third resistance. I mean, like, okay, all right. So if this is gonna continue, then this is the coin. This is the one, right? If all of a sudden, maybe we're changing things. Maybe we got a new month. Remember, a brand new month.
I pulled out before the
said this. Let's say this on the 31st. Things can change on the new month, and it's seeming so for now. But you're talking about an asset that has been in a long-term uptrend, has been a massive outperformer, is showing the bullish divergence at the critical inflection points that happens to be confluent with the pattern completion zone of this Bartley dude. I mean, like, really. And it's not just that. It's like the spring back test of effing spring on yesterday. Right? I know Patreon like brought it up. I'm like, you know, or it was maybe not even Patreon. It was like someone to respect the TA chat. I'm just looking, I'm like, you know, it's interesting. And then, like, you know, I'm just scanning through it. I'm like, yeah, I'm seeing what he was seeing. And it's not just that. It's like Bitcoin, man. Like, Bitcoin's... And what was so cool about Luna is, earlier today, Luna was up less than 1%, while Bitcoin was up like 10%. And it's like, hey, man, if you missed the Bitcoin bust, that sucks. But dang, dude, Luna is just sitting here at these pretty strategic entry areas if crypto's going to continue upward, and it's now up like 6%. So it's catching up. You know, if you missed the 10% train on Bitcoin, Ethereum, well, you're only 4% away now. If you were cognizant of what Luna was doing, right? Yeah, man, I don't know. Are people upset that we're talking too much TA and not enough that? Is that what this is, man? I don't know, man. It's just fun. You get entranced with it because it's cool. I mean, dude, they're just like yesterday, man. It's just really been the past like week with Bitcoin, dude. It's just, how do you even really gauge when it's making local lower lows and it's in between two major inflection points and doesn't even test the bottom of it? And I mean, Ethereum told the story. Ethereum was like, hey, it's actually showing us it's like navigating us, right? Ethereum navigated. Bitcoin, it's like, how do you even know? And it sucks because Bitcoin was kind of the, it's always been like the macro and what dictates what happens to other coins, including Ethereum. But I mean, like, Ethereum was the one that was showing the signs, right? It held, it got back above the demand line. It showed the hidden bullish divergence. There was actually something that you could go by. Now, I don't think the hidden bullish divergence ensured at all that you'd be up at $3,023. I figured it would take you to at least 28.68, and then after there, I don't really know, because if you get it back above a support, you rally to the resistance, and it did. I mean, like on that 4-hour candle, February 4th, it did that. It pulled back, held, and rallied, and closed. It did break out on the next candle, and then after it broke out, it even back tested the resistance, the support, and then was gone. And here you are, right? You are breaking above a very, very critical level. I mean, it is a peak back from May 19th, May 20th, May 20th. Sorry, I'm burping. I got things going on over here, man. I'm drunk. I'm trying to do charts, and hey, man, there are things that still have to be, lots of things that have to be done on Ethereum. Okay, like I love it that you broke out upward, and that happens. But now you're going to be testing a supply line soon, right? 31.26. It's very, very real. It's like 3 touches, like December 1st, December 27th. And pretty much like January 4th or 5th. So you'll be testing that soon. You're above the 200 moving average. You are overbought for the first time of 2022. Chat hadn't been overbought on the 4 hour since December 1st, 2021. Very, very nice. And you're at your highest level of the year, 73.51 on the RSI, overbought. All right, so keep it rolling, man. Keep it going. Like, as Bitcoin pulls back some, Ethereum's like, it's the guy. The guy just, yeah, that's him, dude. Right now, that's Ethereum. So I would say that adequate performance. Oh my god, dude. No, that's good. Dang it. Screw them both. Neither of them are 40 on the dot. Wow. Okay. So I would say that things are changed. So what was the request though? There was a request, and it was happening, and it was ENS. Was that number 1? Yeah, it was ENS, which, yeah, not good. I mean, like, it was terrible. Now it's like, hey, man, you've lost like all your value. If you Fibonacci that way, if you Fibonacci from like whatever the listing price was, I guess, to the next high, I mean, you're at the 886. So technically, you're at value perceived areas on Ethereum name service to, you know, the US dollar to other, man. But in terms of support, there is none down here. All you got's a Fibonacci. Okay, cool, dude. Great. What the? So, I mean, there's probably a way, like, to plot, like, a supply line, maybe? No, if it was, you already broke out, right? I mean, you have to get this high. If you get it, like, this high, and yeah, like that, you already broke out. I mean, like, 1, 2, 3, 4. You broke out, you back tested it. And doesn't it even matter? Is the price action actually correlating to a breakout? Doesn't really look like it, man. I think it's pretty safe to say you're not reversing your overall trend until you break above $47+, $47 and $50. I mean, like right around there. That's the trend reversal. Look, dude, that's a straight line down. There is no discernible swing high until like up here. That was it. The peak, Christmas Eve, and then the valley, January 24th, literally a month later, and then after that 30-day period, then it began to reverse. Then it broke the supply line. Okay, highest price it's seen today since January 20th. Cool story, bro. I don't know. I don't really have much to say, but it's terrible. But it looks like everything else that exists on this market, right? Just, is it a bear flag? Well, not really anymore. but it sure as heck looked like it, kind of, right? Just whatever. It was like that. It was just, that's all you kind of, it fell out of it, then it got back above it. Okay, cool. It's just going to keep, I mean, dude, I'm telling you, it's going to be a minute. Yes, maybe it's time. Look, you know what? It's something that's kind of good about it locally. The only thing I'll tell you that's good about it, that maybe is telling you that it might be going up next, is because it bottomed out. Then it made a swing low. It rallied, actually made a technically higher high than previous high, then sold off again, and then confirmed, right? It confirmed that there was accumulation. Okay, it has now confirmed accumulations here. So yeah, without much of any other data, like nothing else, like no support, resistance, like love, is that upside, break it, and I don't know. I mean, you know, 2410 would be next. After 2410 is going to be around 2825. Just these peaks, okay? That's your ENS. It's confirming a bottom's in. It's confirming there's accumulation. One valley, two valley, third valley. The third valley confirms that it is the third valley. Okay, why not up next? Okay. Next one was spin is not one. Bruh. Crow. Crypto.com or Matt Damon. MatthewDamon.com.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
You understand what I'm saying, dude, man? I gotta get one more data. Can't do it here. That's not too bad, man. CBT, man, let's go!
Have you looked at VRA already?
Excuse me? VRA? Oh, Veracity? Yeah, we covered it before Bitcoin. We covered it, the first asset
SOS/USDT on Qcoin, thanks.
of the evening. Okay. Steven, thank you so much, dude. We've already looked at SOS too. It was second, just before we looked at Bitcoin. I'm just kidding. We'll look at both of those. No problem, none. All right, so I don't know, man. Dude, there's more data on this other chart. Look at it, man. But if we don't have that, I think, like, if you're talking about like a real correction on something, and maybe crypto.com doesn't do it because it's crypto.com and they have Matt Damon and they have Darth Vader and whatever. So maybe it just reverses here. But you know, you see an asset and it's like a million times in a row, and it's like, oh, it's different this time because Matt Damon, you know. But just assets normally, you know, this looks like one of the typical Wall Street, you know, market cycle things, right? Where you just go from the lowest point to the highest point, and it's not even close. It's like, you know, maybe it's in a correction right now, and it needs to go to 786,886 probably 18 cents, 27 cents, like they all do. I mean, maybe not this time again, right? Because other reasons. This time it's different. But I don't know. I mean, you're in a correction. You had a stupid blow off top, right? I mean, 97 cents, and the thing's at 44 cents now. I mean, and it was like a straight line up, dude. It was a insane rally. These assets, I mean, most of the time, eventually turn it around to the 786 or the 886. Not where you are right now. So I would just think there's more downside probably. But whatever, man. You just go for Matt Damon. You should go long on Matt Damon, dude. You know, and just hodl through Matt Damon's. Jeff H, man, let's go!
It's time for another beer. Can you look
Yeah!
Kings.
Jeff H, man, thanks so much for the $100 super chat, man. Much love. Yeah. Look at Riot. That if crypto looks okay, Riot's gonna look okay, man. Thank you, dude. The power of the Matt Damon. flows through the veins of the crow, but is Matt Damon more powerful than, you know, traditional boom bust cycles, right? You boom, then you bust, but the correction normally leads to a 78% drawdown, 88% drawdown retrace from those major lows, right? So, I mean, unless something changes, I just can't be bullish on this until it gets down there, or it starts making consecutive higher highs, higher lows, and you know, and then it recaptures its previous highs, which to me looks like a previous level of inflection that could very well act as a reversal point. Is like 61 cents, like 3 different times. It's reversed there. It's a peak. It's a level. It's a zone. It's like 61 to 65 cents. You break that, and yeah, you're probably going to 97 cents again. But you might see the 786, 886 before you ever get there again. So I just know, like, you just can't. There's not enough value yet. There's not. You have to wait. Some things have to change on this chart before you're like, I'm actively wanting to go long here. Even if it starts rallying now, it doesn't make sense. You're in a downtrend. Okay, I'm sorry. We'll move on. You gotta have a reversal, man. Okay, Crow and Theta connected. Theta had been beaten down like many others, had been devastated, but something changed. It saw 240. The old level that was once resistance in January of 2021 then became support. Wow, only once, but really twice. Insane, right? You know, on January 22nd. Yeah, 122.22. You tested it one time, then you tested it a second time, technically on the 24th, and you rally. You confirmed a bottom, it seems, and you just did nothing while Bitcoin did nothing, and then you've rallied on up, and you're going to continue up probably till 372. Nice, but it is not a bull trend yet. Okay, you're not in a bull trend. Unfortunately, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. My God, there's a supply line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that not enough for you? You probably go for a 5th touch, but it's not just the 5th touch of the supply line. It's like, look left, man. The peak from February of 2021, May 2021, July 2021, December, multiple times. My God, January this year. That's a zone. Right there. Hold on, dude. Let me just plot it because it's just so real that it's gonna be something you can see so easily. There it is. I mean, until you break the supply line and that level, you are bearish. You cannot be bullish till that's broken and back tested and held as support, and then you rally again. Like, bearish until that is all broken. Okay, so if you do that, we bulls again, man. Bring it out. Bring out the bull hats and whatever. But until then, you're in a downtrend, man. You just made your lowest price since effing February. It's got a freaking 1-year anniversary. Congratulations. In 1 year, if you bought Theta February 6, 2021, and you still own Theta February 2022, you've made no money. You've made nothing. Nothing.
When it comes out, 0.
All right. Anyway, so we'll move on, man. Theta as requested.
When I was young, he told my girl cousins I would never be a varsity athlete, and frankly, that was a tremendous blow to my self-esteem.
Bruh.
All right. Next request. Yeah, it's like out of its mind, dude. It's lost its mind. I know, it's crazy. It's freaking crazy, dude. I'm still holding on to it, too. You know, it's just like, what are you going to do, man? What are you going to do? It's like only literally a perfect bullish bat pattern. You know, whatever you're using as an anchor point is fine. Type 1, type 2. Okay, actionable. It rallies, and then it just tests the neckline and fails. Like, can't even break $9 resistance. So now all you're praying for is just now you give me another higher low, then all of a sudden it's like the classic accumulation structure. All right, give me a higher low than 635, and I mean, I hate to say the word, but we are Gucci, right? I mean, on another higher low, rule of 3 moon. After that, take me to $15 promised land, way up yonder. Yeah, it's real life. I mean, it's not just that. Think about it, dude. Think about this. Like, I don't even think about it. I'm looking at it now. Thanks for the request, dude. It's just like, I wonder how this is gonna go, dude. Well, this just happens to be a harmonic within a harmonic. Oh, of course it's the 886, dude. See what you just go.
Can you check out MTV, Multivac?
Music, television. We'll look at it, dude. Thanks so much, man. Stand in mind, man. Okay, dude. You see the 886 though, dude? CBT, man. Music, television. It's a harmonic, then another harmonic. Are you kidding me? So it's like, when will things give? When will the universe repay us for our debts of waiting for the development of these structures? When will the universe reward us? Okay, I mean, you can't tell me this isn't like, oh, after just this stupid drawdown bubble pop, right? And just getting back to levels we hadn't seen since 2001, 1998. 1998, chat. Beanie Babies were a thing. They were going on. They were booming, man. Give me Tabasco. No, give me Princess Diana, man. 1998, man. Dude, nah. Trade me your Charizard for your Princess Diana. Okay. Now here we are in 2022, and it's not much has changed. Not too much has changed, man. You know, we're a little bit higher in price for BVN. But yeah, man. That's all we're gonna do here. All right, we're gonna spend more time on BVN. Shade and flare, thank you, dude. Day it's boot.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
The next request was, well, we already looked at it before we looked at Bitcoin to begin the stream, of course, right? We all know this to be true, but here it is again. It is VRA, Veracity. Veracity having problems at critical levels, but was resilient enough to reverse at deep value perceived areas, right? We had identified an M shape, a shark. The 88% retrace, and Noloa Man. There it is. And back above that daily candle high close from March 16th, 2021, May 31st, 2021. Here we are. We're back. We did it, man. All right, but lots of work to be done. I would say certainly an area that's pretty nice, man. I mean, you don't have the divergence backing you up. You really don't. But oh my God, man! I mean, there could be upside. What if when it breaks this falling wedge, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touch falling wedge? Perfect, man. Completely valid and visible and discernible on the daily. This is a relay falling wedge, and it happens to be developed completely at a deep retrace area. Those are good things, man. Those are good variables, right? You're always looking for deep M-shape 886s, Bulkowski structures, and the Bulkowski structure is very well developed. What does that mean? Well developed. That means, like, look how close you are to the apex. It's like AMC. It's like it's the closer you get to the apex of structures, right? The higher the probability is of a breakout or a form of resolution will come. All right. So you were near that. You're rallying. You're very close to breaking out of the wedge. I mean, you only got like it's 22 or 2.28 cents, and 2.4 cents is the breakout point of the wedge at least. But then you got to break that high back from March of last year, and when you break that, tons of upside, dude. Dude, it's Andy, man. What are you doing, man?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go, dude. Let's go.
Hey, legend. I hope you're doing great. Could you please check seller/USDT? Much love. Cheers. 0.5493630 LTC.
We'll look at seller, man. We'll look at celery. Celery, United States dollar, dude. Okay. Okay. We'll look at it. I think Hamdi did. What's up, man? It's been a minute. Hamdi, been around for a while, dude. Good to see you. We pumped, man. We pumped, but it's not enough. All right, it's not enough yet. We need a little bit more. We got to break 45K. We got to back test 42K to confirm its validity as support again, and then we couldn't be kings. They would make a music. They would literally make songs about the back test. I'm Gale, Class T. I love something. He loved something, chat. What was it? He loved the work. Thank you, dude. I appreciate it, man. People like you that keep it going. So thank you, dude. All right, so you get where we're at on BRA. Falling wedge, deep retrace, complete reset, and what an uptrend. Most importantly, right? Why is it an uptrend? Because all it does is go from a low point in a long time ago in 2020, then it makes a higher high, then it makes a higher low, and then it rallies, makes a higher high, and then what does it do? It sells off, and then all it does is make a higher low. It is only bull trending. It is only a bull trend. So you got a complete full reset, deep value perceived area in that long-term uptrend. You know, after the reset, the falling wedge. I mean, that's all like good stuff. It's not really bad. Now pray for Bitcoin because it'll destroy this friggin' chart. But you know, until Bitcoin collapses into 10K or 20K, I mean, this thing is uptrending. All it does is win technically. And it's just at those areas where you remember how it reversed here. You know how it reversed there, right? Chad, I gotta do this, man. I guess I do. I mean, I guess it's like it's important for the eyes of the nation, the eyes of the world upon us. I mean, you must understand what happened in history. From your low to your high, to your low, to your high, to your low. Chat, I mean, I'm just telling you, from your lowest point ever, really, I mean, January 2021, you created the M shape, and what did you do? And where did you do it? You reversed at the 88% retrace, a full reset, and look where you are now. VRA, like hit like right around that area. I mean, do you get it? You get it, right? God. So it's the 886, man. That's your life, dude. The win face tattoo 886. Yeah, win face 2 or face tattoo 886. You can have the 8 and the 8 and the 6 somewhere else. It doesn't matter what market it is. It's all the time, man. So, all right, next request. Euler. I don't know, dude. Is that enough data? Oh, this is what you want. Okay, if you want this, you shall receive it. This is SOS US dollar. Tella on KuCoin for Steven. Well, I mean, like, kind of what's going on is pretty interesting. I mean, it's extremely interesting, really, because you've got a couple things going on that are kind of wild. I mean, yeah, the fact that the asset, Christmas Eve, it was listed, I guess, open down, and then it was back tested, confirming its validity and its existence, December 30th, and you rallied, and there was this peak from December 27th. That its validity was confirmed, I believe, December 31st when it tested again in reverse there, right? So you have two levels that are very real, and you fell below them, obviously. And look, resistance, and dump. but you bottomed out, it seems, and a rally has ensued, and now you're back above that level. You're back above that 332 level, which I'm not even going to go into. It's like 3/10,000ths of a penny or something really stupid. My God, chat. I'm just going to say 332. It's worthless. But we're talking about technicals here, and it's like if this level holds, okay, then easily, you could see this. It's been a couple times been a resistance, right? I mean, January 8th level and right around that, pull it down a little bit, January 30th and 31st. But I would think like if it holds this level and it rallies and tests that level again, it's probably going up to 694 again. That's it. So yeah, I mean, it's kind of okay. Look, I mean, it's a very nice way or easier way kind of maybe to strategize a stop loss, where I would say like if it was me at this, where this price is and like I had to take action on it, I'd be like maybe setting a stop loss below this little wick from December 30th, and just being done with it. 310. I get it. Maybe locally it goes and tests that same low. It's just stupid. It's like if it's worth a crap, it would back test 332 as support and hold it. If it was gonna back test, it wouldn't go and test 289. And you want to see that anyway for accumulation and whatever. But that's maybe how I look at it. Just stop below these levels and let it run, and 472 and then 694 after that, and then maybe even I don't know, like 827 after that. So that's your SOS, dude. Save our S coin. All right. Everything else, yeah, right, man. We got a riot. We're rioting because Bitcoin has been favorable in its price action for a man. Oh my God, dude. Tell me about how screwed you are on this one. And that's like, thanks Bitcoin, thanks crypto. But with death, there is potential life. With busted bear structures, there might be bullish structures that take us down. Oh my God, dude. 1.5, I mean 1.414. Dang, dude, that thing almost got to a 1.618, really. I mean, 1.618 would probably be best for it, but no much divergence on the 4 hour. Oh, give me a break, dude. What are you doing? Oh, okay, so on the daily, hey man, you didn't engulf technically, but there was some nice divergence in the end, I guess, right? And you reversed where? Kind of like Bitcoin, kind of in no man's land. Bitcoin just kind of just actually held no support, made a lower low locally, and rallied and broke out. So it didn't really it didn't reverse anywhere, just like Riot didn't like actually reverse like anywhere. Okay, there's nothing here. All right, so cool. There was divergence though, I guess, so that's cool. Not on the RSI, just the MACD histogram, and it's rallied, but not really very far. It's still closed lower than the close from February 1st. So closed right around that January 26th low. I mean, you could go to like 2378. So okay, so yeah, it's like Riot. I mean, like it's 1.414, but never like really, man. You want to feel comfortable? It's just following crypto kind of. It like rallied 12% today. Do you think Riot rallied 12% because of any other reason besides Bitcoin pumping? There is no other reason. That was it. So it's just like, yeah, okay, it rallied that. But like, if you wanted like actual truest lowest risk PCZ, it'd be like 1070, but it's not there. It like went to the 1.414, one lower, like 1.15, whatever. But
JL Humor super chatted $50. Appreciate all you do. With all the Moon Boy trash in the space, you've always been a breath of fresh air.
Dang it, dude. started, right? It's like, don't pull me over, officer, because if I get pulled over, I'm gonna get a SDUI, which is streaming deck under the influence. Okay, stream deck is my soundboard, so it's like.
I don't know, sir.
But like, if I can't handle that because I'm impaired, I can get a citation, I guess, or something. Look, man, we're just hanging out, and Bitcoin's just hanging out in very interesting price points.
Thanks for keeping me safe out there.
Well,
And remember to look at the 4 hours and daily channels.
Yeah. What? We'll look at all those things, man. JW. Dude, Tarnak, what that?
Tarnak super chatted $78.45. Hi, Mitch. You're the man.
Don't worry too much. Everything's beautiful. He's not gonna worry about.
Tarnak, man, there's 100 Canadian data man. JW, thank you, David. 20 man. Thank you so much. Yeah, definitely some. Hype in the chat! But these boys, they're killing it, man. Thank y'all. Seriously, holy crap. Bro, all right. Riot, for real. Like, I just don't. I mean, there was divergence and stuff, but. Dude, it's anybody's back, dude. Let's go!
Hamdi tipped $122.82. You guys are watching the most valuable and legit education stream that exists on the planet, so please don't forget to show some love to this humble legend. Thanks, Mitch, for everything. We highly appreciate it as a community. 1.000000000 LTC.
What, Hamdi, you just gonna try to make me cry, dude? You just trying to make me cry, man? Like, happy tears. Like, give me a break, man. Dang, man, that's too much. That's so nice. And thanks, man. Thanks for the very, very thoughtful contribution, you know, with your words. That's awesome and profound. All right, very grateful. That's all I can say, man. There's never enough words I can say to show my gratitude. So thank you, dude. All right, man.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your
Gosh,
sensei.
dang it. Wrong freaking button. I'm sorry.
Bruh.
Thank you, dude. Wow. Holy crap.
Let's go. We appreciate all you do.
Let's go, OO. Thank you so much, Jail Humor, for the OOs. The go OOs. Thank you, man. I'm like really lit right now. Okay, so thank y'all for coming out. I know there's a few of y'all out here, but thanks. Very grateful. I don't know. It's just like, you know, if I ever think about like viewer count or likes anymore, it's just, you just get depressed because the market sentiment and conditions are just not what they were, and so it just dwindles. And so it's just like, man, I don't even think about it anymore. Someone asked me about it today. I'm just like, how do you think, I mean, what do you think that spike in viewers, how much it's gonna be or whatever? I'm just like, dude, I can't even think about that anymore because that stuff just like gives me anxiety now, you know, just doing this so long. It's like, so I was like, yeah, I try to tune it out. I try not even look, you know, anymore. But I'll see like someone says how many are watching or where we're at on likes. I just try to, you know, okay, if I see it, then I know, and then I'll bring it up. But not really actively looking these days. So let's go to the next request, which was MTV Multivac, dude. All right. Multivac, which is double bottoming. It's attempting a double bottom, all right? Yeah, for sure. No problem, man. No problem, man. God, I got a lot of freaking lines here. There's just a lot of stuff going on. I mean, supports and resistances. Some significant levels. I mean, like, it's like Cardano. It's like there's something about this asset and Cardano that look almost identical. It's a little bit better than Cardano because it's making actually the same low, technically higher low on candle close. But you can kind of see the similarity in the price action. Where it was worse though, where like Cardano at least made the same high, higher high. This one made a substantially lower high than the previous high. So I mean, you're trying to confirm a bottom, right? I mean, hey man, you're trying, and really it's nice the fact that you had this insane markdown, right? Huge drawdown. Then you rallied, and then you sold up again. And the markdown this time, the second time, was trash compared to the first one, right? But then you rallied off of that. And then tweezer top, oh my god, it's so bad. Oh my, bearish engulfing tweezer top, so bearish. And it sold off, and here you are at the same freaking price. Same, and it's not even really much of a support. I mean, one time, like back in 2019, it was support. It's acting as support again, and it's starting to rally off of that. It engulfed, bullish engulfing candle yesterday. So I mean, that's there, but it's kind of interesting. It's just like huge drawdown, pathetic rally, dumped again, but the dump was just not as bad as last time, and now the dump is identical. It's like the same one. It's like, dang, dude, you're like, sellers are like out of supply to sell almost. Like, it's looking kind of like that, maybe a little bit on MTV. And it's really good because of these levels where you're at is deep retrace, right? At least from that previous low to high. I mean, you got yourself near an 886, these value perceived areas. Sure. So all this stuff's happening at good levels that are lower risk, right? MTV, not too bad. It'd be nice to get some more stuff, but not too bad, right? Bullish divergence on the MACD and RSI was there on the second low. These are good things. That's MTV. That was brought to you by Carson Daly. Thanks, dude. Next request. Bueller. Oh my god, man. What a piece of crap asset. Oh god. It's like, dude, held its bottom, dude. It's like, I gotta go for a full reset, dude. I gotta show divergence and a confirmation low and then rally and then just crash. And then just completely dump to lower lows. Like, give me a break, man. There was such a valid argument for potential reversal January 9th, and it rallied. It did play out, and then just thrusted through 9.2 cents and then dumped again. So it's just bad. Wow. What kind of retrace we got so far from the low to the high? It's not even an 886. Give me a break, dude. Give me a break. 886 is 4.14 cents, and you didn't even touch it. Get out of here, dude. Like, you invalidated divergence on the, I don't know, man. Like, it played out and just sucked and then dumped again. Now there's no edge. This is all screwed up chart. I don't know. It'd probably be better. 4.14 cents, maybe. That's 2 penny loafers, right? That's 4 penny loafers, right? If you get down to that level. So I could sell you 4 Satoshi loafers online, NFT style, for your seller network coins, okay? Come on, dude. We got this figured out. It's down to a science now. I mean, the Satoshi loafers will literally take over the metaverse, and you are a nobody if you don't have Satoshi loafers in the metaverse. You'll see. You will see. This is the new venture, okay, chat? This is a new thing. You'll see. Yep. All right, next request is
XLM is going ham, you all.
Remember, it was the shark that hit the 113. We thought the 886 was going to be good. Then it went to the 113, and then it started reacting at a support, which is interesting, man. Pretty good. That was it. Like, you know, it's not very, very awesome contributions. Just no real formal requests beyond seller. So we've done it, man. We survived. I mean, my God, though, look at freaking Luna. You know, there's no resistance anywhere, right? I just hope everyone understands why Luna was so interesting. Is that this afternoon? Because it's like if you broke 5483, there was nothing else. There was nothing to like at least like 6970 or something. Let's just say 6969. Chat. Give me a break, man. Give me a break. Captain Hindsight coming in with $404. Are you kidding me? Let's go!
Captain Hindsight tips $404.33. Thanks, Mitch, for everything you do. Can we take a look at Matic, please? 0.0000 ETH.
Let's go! Can we please get some
Hype in the chat! Look here! Look, listen!
Bruh.
dude? And I really gotta be like,
Can devs do something?
to chat. Yes, Kevin Hindsight. We will look at Matic 100,000%. Yes, thank you, dude. Unreal. Thank you, man. Holy crap. Wow. But, you know, it would be in everyone's best interest if we continued to take sips and enjoy the scenery, which would be the stream, and the refreshing nature of my lack of sobriety, right? I mean, that's always a good thing, right? Okay, I can't hear the music. Can you all hear the music? And that's not very good, dude. If that's what I'm hearing at 100% volume, is just like we gotta. Oh, there we go. We're good now, man. All right. Kidding me? All right. So yeah, Luna Connect, Mooning Connect. I think Matic's next, man. It is. Matic is now next, man. Relax, read. Alright, so there's this one asset called Matic, and it did things that really weren't great, man. I mean, it was such an amazing, like, outperformer, and then it, like, just head and shouldered up here, and then literally dumped from it, but then, like, tested this low from mid-November, and it fell below it and sprung and back tested it, and now it's above. If you're above 170, that is a serious level. Okay, I'm talking countless times in history it's been support resistance, right? I mean, it's like June 6th and June 16th and August 23rd and September 3rd, and support. It's just so many times, and now you're above it. See, it's literally Bitcoin's chart, like locally. I am Gail. Thank you for the $7.99 Australian super chat, mate. That's a much, mate. We're gonna go down to the bed, man. We're gonna. I gotta see the kangaroos on that light. All right, there's a bed. Good God, dude.
Bruh.
Sorry, I had to like turn the screen off. Good Lord. Hold on, man. I finished the bed, mate, so I gotta. Hold on a sec.
Bruh.
Okay, I'm back, man. I'm back, mate. Right. Yeah, I got myself a good people up, so we're gonna, you know, I'm gonna crack it and we'll see what happens. You know, it's way too dangerous to be playing games right now, like wheel spins and stuff and coin. I just can't. Like a coin flip, dude, it's death. Like I'll owe it certainly, but I won't. I can't pay it. Paying it right now would be terrible for literally anyone involved with what is happening right now. So, but good news on Matic is it's back above 170. If you're above 170, really, really effing unreal things have happened above this level. So, like, that's awesome. All right, you think about what else could be in development here. It's going from that previous high to low to high to low. And you could be working on just a harmonic, right? A deep or a consolidation structure, complex wave structure. That makes plenty of sense, man. Going to 231 here, like, okay, getting above support resistance, no problem, man. Okay, it's fine. It's confirmed a bottom, you know, a higher low. That's not weird at all. It's just not, man. Can y'all hear me? Oh, is this... Dude, what happened? Music gets so quiet. Dude, Bitcoin's just still like, hey, hanging out, man, having a good time. My God, man, I'm trying to get this level set. Sorry, dude, this is still like too low, man. All right, is everyone still here? Are the 300 people, 200 people, 100 people still here? Yeah, 415 people here. You know, man, it's Saturday now. Well, at least Central Time. It is Saturday. Saturday for a lot of people, but it's good to see that Bitcoin caught some bids. We caught some resolution, man. You know, like that's important. I want some resolution. I want to see a freaking resistance or support tested. You know, and it's just like when you like hit 33K, it's just like, and then you just consolidate at 36K. It's just like, how do you even determine where something might be going for real next? You can't, you know. So there are just some times when market conditions give us amazing variables, and there's sometimes when market conditions just, you don't get very good variables, and you just have to, it has to be coin flipish, and there's not much you can do about it, you know. It's like, just deal with it, man. Look, other markets, whatever. Just go.
Nvidia, please.
Dude, thanks for the 100 super chat. Jeff H. Yeah, we will look at the Nvidia. Thanks so much, dude. Wow. No crap. Boom. Hype in chat.
Hype in the chat!
Yeah, dude, we'll look at it right now, I think. Yeah, right now. We got Big Kangs doing things up in the chat. Dude, alright, so I've had like Chalen working on I've had him working on an NFT for like months now, like literally like multiple months. And it's just been like, you know, up and down, like, oh, I can't figure it out. Oh, okay, this or that. And finally getting to a resolution where it's gonna be, I mean, like, dude, 2 months. Well, all NFT market completely died, or everything died in crypto. Whoops. Well, it's still gonna be coming out, so I don't know. It's like the most complex. It's the coolest probably NFT like ever, you know, made here. So soon, man, soon. All right, Nvidia, you got a bat, hit the 886, kind of confirmed the bottom on the 4 hour at least a little bit, then rallied and is okay. I mean, you know, it made a high, dude. It's like Luna. You know, it's a little bit more insane and amazing than Luna, but it's like Luna, where uptrend harmonic develops, and it's like these are adequate areas to believe if a true uptrend was to continue on a higher low and nothing insane was going to happen, this would probably be the area. Well, look at the M shape. Look where reactions at least have occurred. At least it's off 208. It's at 243 right now, from where it normally, you know, in the textbooks say a reaction would occur. It did occur, and look where you are now. So it can continue upward if market conditions continue to get better. I don't know. It's probably just going to underperform a lot of other things because it's tech, but it's also an unbelievably amazing fundamental asset down. I mean, AI and GPUs and electric vehicles. This is like everything that they're like, dude, if there's like a gold mine out there, these guys are always the ones that are supplying the shovels, all of them, to every new market that exists. So, I mean, I get it, man. Assets that are incredible can lose tremendous amounts of value, and it doesn't change things, but I don't care, man. Like, there are things that you can have fundamental beliefs in, and Nvidia, like, how do you not believe in this thing, dude? They got the patent on the GPU, and they have the best GPUs that exist anywhere in the world, dude, by far, and it's not even close. So, yeah, unfortunately, technically, Nvidia is showing some hidden bearish divergence on the 4-hour, at least from a high to the lower high. Much higher levels positive Momo, though. Okay, continuation downward implied. So you got that going for it. Maybe you get a more major double bottom or something at 208 again. That'd be an awesome opportunity, you know. Yeah, rip stains. Yeah, dude, it is a crazy concept. It's not crazy, though. It's literally real as F. Okay? And once you start thinking, one should always be thinking like the composite operator when looking at a chart. Always, man. The deepest value areas, the areas where it makes perfect sense to accumulate or reaccumulate, yeah, man, or distribute, right? That was it, man. Jeff H, we kept up, man. We kept up. No more requests on the list. Goodness gracious, dude. Hey, man, look at ourselves, Ethereum. Ethereum itself at $3,000+ very well could be seeing that supply line at 3120 very soon. From your previous high from that drop off, you're looking at, you're hitting a 786, but we would probably be looking at this as the actual high, right? I mean, that was the peak and nothing else ever touched that after. So you just broke the 786 or the 618, excuse me, 786 3151, 886 3276 in that regard, right? So and that 3417 is everything, man. That is, I don't know, man. Think about playing the Nickelodeon game, you know, for the Craig, and this is the Craig, dude. You gotta make it up there, dude. There's gonna be things thrown at you. There's gonna be slime thrown at you. There's gonna be things going on, man. But dude, if you break 3417, you could be the peak of the Craig, man. Trend reverses. Thank you, DNT. I'm sorry. Thank you, Mobus, for the DNT. Wait, no. Thank you, Mobus, for the $20 super chat. We will look at DNT. Thank you, dude, man. Okay, so I just drinking a little beer, man. Kind of taking a look. Looking at, you know, Ethereum a little bit, man. You know, alcohol's hitting me, man. We're, I'm trying here, man. Okay, I'm really giving it my best on, you know, it's just, come on, dude. Think about it, right? Wow, Bitcoin pump, dude. 2 streams. I mean, if Bitcoin does anything like positive somewhat, man, a couple times, dude, we can get back on the wagon. We start rolling with these streams and just, yeah, I mean, like when Bitcoin's in real bullish conditions, man, like live streaming like 10 hours a day or whatever, you know, like multiple times, it was round the clock, even during the crashes too, though, man. Like COVID crash, we were here every morning for those limit downs, every friggin' morning. And then in the afternoon for the crypto. So, yeah, man. I'd love to see positive conditions again. Or capitulation, which would be way crappier, but at least it's better than the nothing burgers. Nothing burgers always suck the worst. Okay, is our time our own? No, we must go to DNT. Connect. Is this the same type of situation, man? DNT was cool. It played out. Couldn't break resistance literally ever. and then failed, and look where it is. It's at its lowest prices since like January 2021, 13 months ago. 13-month lows. But yeah, and it's massive, colossal, embarrassing downtrend. It's rallying like everything else. I don't know, man. Is anyone making this market? I mean, clearly there's local horizontal line resistance. Was there an ascending triangle? Dude, I don't know, man. It like confirmed the bottom and then just never, triple bottomed or whatever, and now it's breaking resistance, it seems like. It seems right. I got a swing low right there. Maybe it goes to 9.83 cents. My God, there's nothing else. I don't know why D&T wouldn't go to 9.83 cents now if it actually is breaking out and isn't a scrub. But based on history, it is a scrub, a major scrub that loses all the time. So good luck on D&T. Probably going to 9.8 cents if it's not completely a loser. All right. Dude, no one's telling anyone to trade D&T, dude. No one in the world is saying, go long D&T. I mean, even though it could happen, it could play out. 9.8 cents seems likely if this is real, but who knows if D&T is real, dude. District Ox, man. And before I'm banned from the D&T Telegram group, dude. Crap. Oh my God, man, I'm definitely loosey-goosey right now. Holy crap. That was some nice water, though. Nice H2O by Bobby Boucher. I hired Bobby Boucher. He's my water guy now. All right, so I only get the best waters. I pay premium for it, okay? So... Good God, Luna, why you have 7% now? Holy crap, dude, Luna is like high, absolutely incredible Volkowski structure, and then the back test of the spring, dude, come on, what a nice start. I mean, it may not fall through, it may fail like a loser, but dude, Luna breaking 54.83. It's not a joke, dude. Like, Luna breaking this level so good. There's so much upside potential on this one. Who knows what's gonna end up at, but you're working on a measure move, I guess. It's pretty solid, dude. Whew. Yeah, dude, 2 people watching now, and that 2 people watching. Thanks so much for the 2 people watching the stream, man. That is about there. Y'all my biggest fans. Just you 2, just 3 of us. We can make it if we try. Yeah, dude, we got this, man. That's right, but walk since grandma tuned in. And me, I'm number 3. Davian, chill, dude. Chill. You're telling me I'm sauced, man. I'm not. I'm a regular human being. It's normal, dude. Just being normal, okay? Yeah, back to 12-hour streams. That's right, dude. Those were the days, man.
Mitch, check LRC, Loopring.
Well, we've been there recently, and it wasn't too good back then, but I can imagine, on price action, man, probably better get there, right, Oh yeah, Loopring did it, man. Loopring pulled it together. Bro, Loopring did it, man. Congratulations. Congratulations, Loopring, on all success, mate. Where is this? Where is this? Dude, I'm just gonna look at this one because it's like, dude, less confusing of all of them. All right. Alright, dude. Alright, mate. So this thing hit an 886 for sure. Like, hey, man. Hi, I'm just a crypto S coin. A little too deep on C, but too perfect on D. There it is. Alright, that is my. Alright, mate. So you see here, look left. You.
Look here. Look, listen.
Pretty much Valentine's Day of last year. What were you doing on Valentine's Day, chat? It wasn't just Valentine's Day. It was also May 13th. What were you doing on May 13th? Almost Valentine's Day, but for another month, right? What were you doing that now Loopring is getting back above that very critical area? I mean, you holding I mean, that's pretty good. But there's just not much price action. I mean, it has lots of upside above 91 cents. For real. It actually does. And you can see why. There's nothing. Now hold on a second. I'll tell you that. We got to go way back, man. We got to go way back to April 2018. Sorry. Thought things were perfect. I thought we were ready to run with the Bulls, but we got 112. And then pretty much under 112 is kind of like the promised land. Above 112 is like 223. That's not too bad, man. All right, so you break 112, we go to 223, and then we buy Lambos at that price, all right? Dude, LRC is not bad, chat. Do you understand? It's pretty good. It's not bad. Holy crap. What? I mean, hidden bullish average maybe on 3-day. I mean, it would happen if it... Hey, dude. Hey, hold on. 17 hours, 41 minutes till a bullish engulfing candle is confirmed. But dang, man. You want to talk about a bottom type of candle? That's pretty awesome. Little reversal right there. Reversal candle above 3-day, 200 moving average. Dude, think about... Keep your eye... If someone doesn't put this on their watch list, what the are you doing? You got to put this on your watch list for the 3-day. Make a note or something. 3-day chart on Loopring. Is it going to bullishly engulf in less than a day? That might be a signal. I mean, for at least a reaction. Dude, come on. I mean, it is lost 88% of its value. It's above 200 moving average. It's holding above old freaking highs from February and May of 2021. You know, and if it can ever get above 112, what could happen to it? It could go berserk. So... it's not bad. Is it too loud? Oh, maybe me or something? Anyway. That was it, dude. That was the last request. We did it, man. I don't know. I've been live for... I don't know, an hour and 30 minutes if you're enjoying it. I guess hit the like button and build a sub. It really was just kind of like a quiet speakeasy. You're not supposed to even know what's going on. Is this guy even live? I don't think so. That's unreal. No way. He was just live. Okay, bye. That was that type of situation, you know. But still, like, Bitcoin chat. I mean, look at the 3-day. How's the 3-day gonna close? Look how you held above the 3-day 200 simple moving average. My God, never even looked at this. Like, you see that? That's unreal. It's holding, man. You haven't even touched the 3-day 200 simple moving average since April 24th of 2020. My God. You didn't just touch it. You held it and you were trying to reverse here after retracing at 8%. Yeah, hidden bullish. No, I'm sorry. That's not real life at all. There is no edge at all on the 3-day. Judgment, let's go! Look at the
If BTC is gonna pump, let's look at BCH. I got my paycheck today in Grimace Coin. Am I right or what?
Is that a joint?
Gilligan, I'm sorry, dude. What are you talking about, Grimace Coin? Oh yeah, dude. It's on a desert island. And speaking of the desert island where Gilligan and the skipper is RR. You know what also would reside there would also be BCH, which is Bitcoin Cash, which has been all but literally abandoned and not just shipwrecked, but marooned. Okay. My God. What's wrong with this guy, man? Like, dude. I'm only a little drunk, man. Okay. Now here's the thing. Here's the joke. All right. I had identified a bullish butterfly literally at the beginning of this pattern completion zone. I don't know. It has not played out yet, and now it's begun. It's up, dude. It did it. Bullish engulfing candle in 17 hours on the 3-day. I mean, it hit that 1272. That's it, man. The 1272 fib extension. Look it up on the internet if you don't believe me. I don't give a crap if you don't believe me. It's there. None of the stuff that like I'm teaching or showing has anything to do with me research. It's like it's geniuses researching and putting their life's work into it. And I'm just a mere disciple. I just love researching and reading about their work and their sacrifice, and I implement it and try to show you on the stream. That's all it is, man. Okay, so I'm just like, hey, it's the butterfly, and it's at the beginning of the pattern completion zone, and it's actually reacting today, and it really happens to be getting above the critical support resistance from 2019, multitude of times, October, April, August 2020. Look, it was a support, October 2017. The upside here is like, it could be going to $500. Dude, it could go to $500. Why do you say that, man? Why do you say that Bitcoin Cash should go to $500, man? That's so stupid. What are you even talking about, man? Okay, that's someone saying that. Then it's like me being like, all right, let's just look at this chart. Straight down, straight up, straight down, and literally straight up to straight down to straight up. And then straight down. I mean, okay, it gets 436 a couple times in history, but straight down. But then look what happens. You can't break it, you sell off. Then you bullish hammer, and then you break it, and where do you go? Straight up to $500. Then you go straight down to not $500. And then you eventually go straight up to $500 again. Over and over and over again. Like, that happens so many times. Yeah, like recently it hasn't. I mean, like it would sell off, make a higher low, and hold that area. Yeah, it did it a couple times, you know. But like historically, that's what it's done. So why could it not do it again? That's how you target. That's exactly where you would target for upside on Bitcoin Cash. If one was longing this, if someone was like, oh, I wanted to try to take a chance of the 1272 on this butterfly PCZ, okay, great, go for it. Why would someone say my date didn't go well? I didn't even say I was on a date, but if I was, it went extremely well. But I don't deal with like literal bad people that are. I mean, like I kind of screen pretty well. I mean,
what do you think about ENJ approaching support levels on the 12 hours at $2?
It's nice to date good Christian people that, you know, aren't literally like, oh, I'm supposed to like go out with them all night and then get really S-faced with them and then do things. I mean, like, sure, those events occur, I guess, but this was a really good person. So I don't know. I mean, whatever. I think it went well, but thanks, Major Meta Carpal, for the 25 super chat. We'll look at Enjin Coin. Yes, Enjin Coin Connect. Enjin Coin Connect. So, I mean, like, Bitcoin Cash is there, dude. That's been identified. And, you know, whatever. Enjin Coin Connect. Well, Enjin, there was like a shark that went to the 94. It made a higher low. It's above the 200 moving average on 3-day. Bullish engulfing candle will be confirmed in 17 hours. It'll probably rally to 219. 219 to 220 will probably be when it's, you know, it tests the level, and if it breaks that, it's probably going above $3. Yep. The uptrend continues. Where you made these higher lows, you sold off, made a higher low. You're actually technically barely, but still making a higher low. So there's still accumulation argument going on for Enjin Coin chat. Bullish engulfing candle again in 17 hours, if all stays the same. Here it is. This is just the daily. Here's your demand line. All right. What's so cool about Enjin is like it had a demand line. It fell below it. Then it rallied back above it and then kind of back tested it as support and is now separating from the demand line, letting you know, right? That is real. There is demand here. It is a real demand line. And now you're going to run to at least 220 to go test that high back from August until last year. I mean, it's been a support in March of 2021. I mean, it's kind of your next target, right? You're going to rally that level. There may not be enough demand to push it higher, but if it does break, if you do break 220, you could be going again to $3 plus on Enjin. It's just like BAT, like BAT coin, okay, chat? Look at this. Look at that. Hold on. There it is. There's your bat. It's the shark bat. It's not man, bear, pig. I have some evidence. Man, bear. Shark bat is here. Breaking back above 92 cents. And if you break above 92 cents for real, dude, you could be going to 139. I'm not kidding. See you at 139 probably. That's not a joke, dude. This is a very real level of resistance from history. Right from 2018. You break this, you could see 139. What does that mean? That means breaking 92 cents. The upside potential just happened to be 50%. Oh, it feels so good! All right. There you go, dude. Wow. Dude, I'm better at this drunk than sober, I guess. I mean, that's kind of the consensus. I think everyone watching the stream being like, dang, dude, you're just better at this drunk. Wow. I'm like, I think you might be right. It's kind of unreal. It's not even fair. It's stupid. It's just like a freaking curse, dude. Dude, I'm never this good sober. I'm not. Like, I don't do this sober. I'm stupid. I don't know what to do, man. This is crazy. This is so insane. What's up, Bob Walls, man? Look. Oh!
I don't know, sir.
That's pretty neat.
Bitch ain't doing things.
Just cuz. Get drunk, stay drunk.
Right? I mean, dude. Bob man, that's behind that. That's about that, okay? At what we have, we go 11. That's about that. Right? You know what I'm saying? BAT, basic attention token. See at 139 probably in time. Look at this, dude. It's not a joke. Assess yourself in the chat, all right? My God. Things were good, man. Things have been great, dude. I mean, life's good, man. Life's good. Life is plentiful. For those that give, life is plentiful. Hold on.
Bruh.
Is that a joint?
Was it over when the Germans bombed Pearl Harbor? Hell no!
All right. Okay. Yeah, Crow earlier. Matthew Damon coin, or Matt Damon Connect coin earlier. But dude, I don't even want to tell you, man. This is like great news on an asset breaking critical levels, and like you don't have to believe it. You don't have to give a crap. I mean, it's making higher lows. It made the 886 from its previous low, and it's bringing back testing springs and breaking support resist. I just like there's nothing else I can tell you, dude. It's like the beacons of Gondor were lit on BAT, and that's it, man. Okay, cool. All right, so I mean, like, you know, these just incredibly generous tips been rolling in, man. Like, just come on, dude. Come on, man. Turn the music up because I can't even hear it. Deep breaths. Oh, this is very, very profound music. The crypto world could be coming back to life, man. Are we gonna rise? Finally! We're losing 88% of our value from September's lows. Unreal, man. Perfectly. But now here we are. Testing the resistance, man. Dude, I don't know, man. I said I was maybe better drunk. Maybe I'm not. Maybe I'm not at all. This is so bad. Alright, so As you can see, broke some resistance, but not all of it. You gotta break 41.6, but the problem is, man, after 41.6, you gotta break 44.5. You have to. You got to, man. You got to, man. Oh no, dude, it's not. Oh god, it's like having problems. We're in slip and fall school right now. Hold on. Oh god, dude. Ugh. Alright, we're good now. We good. So yeah, things going on. Things are happening, man. Okay. But you know, here's HBAR, man. It's continuing to rise. What's going on, Bueller? What just happened, dude? Is that real? Is that real time or is that delayed? I don't know. What's going on over here, man? I think that already happened. It did. I'm crazy, dude. Okay. It's so weird. So laggy. So, chat, do you understand that, you know, it's been really tough, man, like, to discern Bitcoin's direction, because the trend's been overwhelmingly bearish for 3 months, non-stop. It's been just, oh my god, such trash price action for so long. Then you finally lose 88% of your value. Then you rally, and the price action after hitting the 88 is still just massively trash, dude. It's just awful. And then you test the supply line of the downtrend again, and then you on the daily bearishly engulf, and the next day you don't do anything. You kind of hold, and then boom, today 10% candle breaking out of that supply line you just successfully bearishly back tested. You know, it's just like crazy, man. It's just all of this just at no support, nowhere, just floating in outer space between 30k and 40k, 33k, 36k. It's like you're not really ever spending time there before in history, but you're gonna do it this time. All right, that's fine. Just indecisive. It's just very, very tough, man, to gauge Bitcoin's direction. I mean, up or down. Like, it could have gone down to 33k or 30k and still been crazy. Just as crazy or just as surprising or not surprising as 40k, as you've seen now. You're getting 40k, 42k. Just tough, man. There weren't really much of an edge at all. Nothing like, I mean, but here's the problem. Like, here's the thing anyway. It's like some altcoins, like FTM was showing bullish divergence in the 4 hour. Ethereum was showing hidden bullish divergence on the 4 hour. I mean, like, some of the altcoins actually ended up in the end showing some divergence that actually played out. It's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy, man. Bitcoin do nothing? I don't know, man. Bitcoin, dude, are you saying since I started the stream? But look at the last 4 hour candle. Bitcoin's previous 4 hour candle did nothing too. In the end, it actually closed lower than the previous candle before it. I mean, like, so I mean, I wasn't live then. I was doing things, man. I was hanging out. I was living life. I mean, let's go HBAR though. Let's go HBAR, man. Of the chat. Bro, I am super, super faded, as the people in the chat would say, man. I'm super faded, man. Come on, dude. Let's go Theta. Theta heading back up to 372. Nice little falling wedge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 touches-ish. And of course, the deepish retrace-ish. Yeah, 2 people watching T-Bone, man. It's just you and your grandma. Get wrecked, T-Bone, man.
Bruh.
I gotta turn on my voice mod, man. I gotta do this, man. This is like, I'm too not drunk. I'm too drunk to not use this. Like, it's just kind of a disservice to the world of men, you know, and women and aliens. So just give me a sec. Okay, input's gonna be that, and then I'm gonna we should be good then. All right, let's give it a shot. Hey, can everybody hear me? Is this different than it would be, you know, in normal conditions, like ever? Has anything changed? Chat, let me know. Thanks so much. Not different. Are you kidding me, dude? Oh, maybe I get why. Maybe I understand. Hold on a sec. Hold on a second, man. Okay. Hey, is it any different than it was before? Hello. Type in the chat or not type in the chat. Connect. Thanks so much for everything that I got. Dude, what? What do you mean no? What? Dude, what the F? No way, man. Give me a break. Dude, no way. How is that not real? Something's wrong. Dude, that don't make any sense. I've never seen anything weird like that in my life, dude. Are you kidding me? It might be you know what it is, right? You know what it is, chat? It has to be something to do with, have you turned it off and turned it on again? It has to be that, because it should be good and it's not good, so that sucks. Why y'all talking about bread, dude? That doesn't even make sense. Yeah, it's broken, dude. It doesn't work. Even though the inputs say it works, it doesn't work. That sucks. Why do I keep talking about bread, dude? What do I do if I'm like hungry and like I mean I have food here, but what do you mean? My views on Asia always selling coins? They do. Like, they haven't really. I mean, who bought today? It was Wall Street, dude. Like, when did the pumpage happen for real? Last night there was some buying, and then the continuation, the breakout. Bruh, wow. That's not good. Anyway, so yeah, it's good to see ya. Good to see everyone. You know, I'm a little faded. You know what I'm saying? It's okay, right? I mean, everyone's still happy. Hold on. Dude, I'm so lit, man. What do you mean, dude? Bruh. Hold on, so I'm just gonna like not have the screen on, I guess, for a second, dude. Oh my god. And maybe it doesn't even matter, you know what I'm saying? E non è abbastanza. Anche me hanno chiesto una domanda. Da domanda annoni, da domanda tinta. Da mia. What's this guy talking about, man? This guy's crazy, dude. Chill, man. Just chill. Hold on, man. Everyone just chill out for a second, okay? Whoa. My God. I hate inflation so much, chat. Literally. If I could punch anything, it'd be cancer, and then right after cancer would be inflation. Oh my God. Ugh. No, I was doing something. Okay, he's so drunk, dude. It's like, nah, he was literally, yeah, maybe he's drunk, but he's also trying to concentrate on another thing to do while he could. Alright? Understand, man? We're cool. Alright, let's see here. Let's see here. Check my notes. Oh my god, dude. Some of the coins are still terrible. You know, here's one though. Here's the XLM's pumping, dude. It's gonna be the XLM party, man. Take over the world. Alright, look at XLM chat. You see, alright. What's that gray line, man? What is that gray zone, dude? Is that gray zone like crazy, dude? It's just a joke, dude. Like, literally, look, man. Look at it. Oh, dude, just kind of like massive double wicked right at it, right? You see that? This isn't a joke, chat. I'm sick and tired of this. Stop laughing. If anyone's laughing in the chat right now, you're banned, okay? Just a level all the way back from 2018. Hey, chat, chill. Stop with the laughter. David Davian, you're on thin ice. Okay, so anyway, what's happening? You get it. There's just like probably, hey, no many bids up here. You might run. I mean, you could have a very nice rally upward, man, on XLM. Not much of any kind of resistance really until like 30 cents. God. Crazy, man. Sit down. I'm never sitting down, dude. Now you said that, I'm gonna stand. I won't stand for this. If I won't stand for this, I will sit. But it has nothing to do with what you just told me to do. So, no. Okay. So, let's see a rally here. Come on, dude. XLM pumping. This is a Gore-Tex jacket. What is that, dude? I have Ralph Lauren, bro. This is the Ralph Lauren gray on black, dude. You kidding me, man? Dude, this is Ralph on Lauren, dude. Are you kidding me? Excuse me? Someone's getting like pulled over outside. You're gonna let the way look. I can't take that. I can't. That's the last shot. What a joke. Yeah, I got that about that. Dang, dude. Freaking
how much do we have to donate for breakfast stream little?
Dang. It's a bear flag. I got an 886. Okay, so like from now on, what do we all say? 886 bear flags. Yeah, right, dude. Yeah, effing right. Where were your bear flags when you weren't at an 886? Okay, well, here's your BNB making you say all that from experience. Dang, dude. 886 bear flags. Just jokes. We already have Vitamins A right now. Let's go. What's Gale say, huh? How much do we have for bread face? Unfortunately, like the way the like I hate it. Like I wish, dude, life would be so different for all of us, right? If I could like while I'm live, open up the application and make it work, dude. Kidding me, man? Life, it would just. I think we would have flying vehicles and all kinds of crazy cool things, but unfortunately the way it works is like I have to like be exited out of OBS before I open that platform for it to work for stupid reasons, and I can't help it. So it's like OBS was open before that because it wasn't planned, and that and it sucks, dude. It's like just it's the way of the world. Yeah, dude, for real, like the most appropriate of my entire life.
Can devs do something?
Like for real, dude, seriously. Like at the same time.
I have overinvested by a lot.
Right, I mean, it's like, come on, man. No, I don't think it'll be possible soon, because it's one of those things that it's like the devs did something or they do things and no actual user of OBS would ever tell them ever in the human of history for some dumb reason. It just is like, oh no, dude, we got things to worry about. You don't worry about that. We're not this, that. And it's like, nah, dude, like that's a problem. That is seriously an issue. We should be able to have OBS open and open that platform, and then it works.
Richard Hart got nothing on your style.
Hey, go. This is about the I'll say it's a shot about that. This is about Australia. That's about. God, man. I swear I can't like pivot my arms anywhere on this desk. I can't put my feet up. I can't move my legs. If my body touches this desk, it always just sounds like an effing fart. I'm not kidding. Everything about this desk. I rub my arm a little bit. It's like everything I do is just a fart. I'm so tired. I'm gonna freaking recall this whole desk, man. It's a wooden desk too. It's really beautiful and polished wood, and it's just glossed over, and everything sounds like farts, and I can't take this anymore. I'm about to lose my mind, man. I'm done with this. I'm done, dude.
My 8.
Thanks so much, mate. I'll get that. That's much. Was it with the Australian farts, but that's much. Dude, it's not funny either. It's like literally like just haha, hey, we do charts all day and we talk about supports and resistances and variables and all that, and then it's just like I set my arm down for a second. It's just like okay, dude, put my leg up. Oh my dude, it just makes fart noises, dude, so bad. Oh god, I'm so done with it. Okay, anyway, I'll go out of Bitcoin, man. You know, let's just check out this coin's not doing anything, man. It's cool though, we're live for fun reasons. This is super serial, and this isn't a joke, and...
Can devs do something?
Gosh, dang. How we go, man? Dude, I don't know anymore. Like, I've been live for like... I've been live 3 hours now. Like, why am I still live? What is happening? For real, dude. Chat. What is going on, dude? Hey, oh god. Surprised it didn't make a fart noise. Cars and Crypto, thank you, dude. What the heck, man? Thank you for the very kind words, man. I mean, it should play, but...
God bless. Your authenticity and honest guidance is appreciated by so many of us. I watch every stream and cherish these goofy moments.
Thanks, dude. Yeah, it is unfortunate. I don't know, man. Maybe if I had better balance in my life, I'd be funnier, sober. I don't know, dude. It is crazy, man. Like the disparity and levels of ability to make people laugh with alcohol. It's just unfair. It's just stupid, dude. Dude, come on, Jeff H. Let's go, dude. Dude. Slinging them out, man. Oh, God. Shit.
Just paying you back for the last 14 months I've watched ya. Valuable, valuable, and valuable. Thanks for being live. Again.
I shall be live as long as you allow me. Thank you, Jeff H, man. I really appreciate it, dude, and I know everyone in the community appreciates it, and the support you showed to keep it going, man, because it's a 100% crowdsourced stream. I mean, I don't have a sponsor. I don't monetize via YouTube even, right? There are no ads you watch when you watch a stream, so it's literally all y'all. So I mean, like, so the fact is, like, if someone ever tipped someone else who monetized and had sponsors and all that, you have to understand it's like there's less gratitude involved. Like, you can't have as much gratitude if you're accepting all the other ways to get paid, right? So I'm like, I am more grateful than others would be because you're the one. You're literally the lifeblood of the stream. Like other people would say, oh well, I've got the sponsors, affiliate marketing, and the monetization YouTube to fall back on. Like, but because of you, like y'all are like, it's way more important, you know. So thank you, man. I really very appreciate it, dude. That's amazing, right? So I'm super grateful and very aware that it's because of y'all that this all continues, right? So thank y'all, you know. Real life, man. Real life. So yeah, this is looking at the daily on Bitcoin, man. You know, drunk as a skunk. But good times. Had a great evening. I really did have a good evening, man. It's just like, you know, we had things going on. It's like, all right, I didn't want to go out and let's just get drunk, dude, and hang out with a bunch of people that don't give a crap about charts. Where it's like, oh, yeah, let me go hang out with 400 to 800 people in a room and none of them care about anything. I can't even talk to them. Music's still loud. Or I could go home and go live in front of the 400, 800 plus people and all talk about things we like, and you can all hear me and I can hear you and see you via the chat. It's kind of like I went to a bar, but the bar was far more productive and more fun and enjoyable as an experience. And I didn't have to pay any money to go there. It's a win-win-win. I mean, yeah, dude, it's probably the only drawdowns. Like, yeah, oh, there's hot girls at bars, dude. Okay. Hot girls everywhere, dude. All right. They're everywhere, so. But time and fellowship with your friends and comrades is, it doesn't happen all the time. That is special and that's fun. I think that's far more special. So, I mean, you look at it that way.
Just gotta work on your Australian accent, kissing face.
Oh God, that's so much. Dude, just don't even judge. I'm done with it, man. Thank Gail for the $30.99 super chat. I don't know. I never did right about it, but I never did right. I never said kind of like that monotone British accent.
I would like to piggyback off what Jeff said, and would like to add your awesome and Spin JK. Thanks for all you do.
Spin JK. All right, since you said JK, I won't. But T-Bone, thank you so much for 20. Much love. The back-to-back, the Gale Lucchese alley-oop. Brilliant. Thank y'all. I don't know. T-Bone Lucchese probably thinks I have like the most incredible Australian accent known to mankind. You know, like it's almost like T-Bone hears me in my accent, Australian, and it's like, dang, dude, he like invented Australian accents, mate. Alright, he did, mate. Okay. Wow, what were we talking about before? Yeah, like, oh, okay. Going to a bar versus going to stream charts. I don't know, man. This is way more fun. This is way better, dude. This is like you go to a bar, it's like, oh, this is a rerun of like the past 8,000 times I've done this. You know, okay, man, let's go to the bar and drink, and it's too loud where you can't even meet anybody because it's so loud that, I mean, I have very sensitive hearing, and like when there's loud music, I can't hear anything that anyone's saying, no matter how close. Like, what is that, man? Oh, Dad, it's that, son. Like, I can't hear any of it. It's crazy. Like, I'm just like, okay, this is ruined. Like, why are we here? What are we doing here now? God. Yeah, dude. It's like people just saying, hey, man, how was your weekend? It's like me being like the girl and the guy trying to explain crypto with the sunglasses on at the baseball game. I'm like, I can't even hear you. I don't even know what you're saying. Whatever. I don't get any of it. Okay. We'll talk later, dude. Okay. It's not about phony. It's, dude, I mean, again, like if the music's not too loud and you can converse, it's not, a bar scene's fine. Like as long as you can converse, like when you take the ability to converse and talk to people that you don't know out of the equation, then it just becomes literally stupid. It's like, what? Like one would go, I mean, it's like, isn't the cliche thing is like, I'm going to the bar to meet some girls, and then it's like you go to the bar and there's plenty of girls and people, and it's so loud that you can't hear anything. You can't talk to anybody. You can't meet anybody. And if you do, it's like you better be half deaf, I guess, in these loud environments, screaming ear to ear with somebody else. It's just weird, man. But, you know, it's all about where you go to. I mean, I guess that's very true. You know, you can go to some tame places, yeah, it's fine too. So it all depends. Yeah, I go to a lounge. Lounges are perfect, dude. There aren't many lounges around here, unfortunately. Like, sadly. I mean, probably the best lounge that exists in Birmingham is literally where I live. But it's private, so I'm not like inviting people over all the time. So, okay, cool. Dude, Cardano cake about to explode. Dude, I'm gonna look at cake in a minute, man. For real. Cake to B&B or just regular cake? Oh god, cake, man. What a joke, dude. Oh, I'm cake. I just hit all-time lows because I'm a loser. I'm like, oh, nice, dude. Literally, dude, look at that. This is terrible. It is lowest price all the time, even after showing divergence.
Would love a pullback from 42k before another leg up.
Noab, thanks for the £5, mate. Thanks so much, mate. Yeah, but you know, you gotta look at the fact that Bitcoin had been at an 886 retrace, mate, and it's just going straight up, mate, from 36.3 to 42k. I mean, that fast. Yeah, you might get a pullback, mate, but I don't know. Sorry, you might not, mate. Okay. Yeah, cake in the oven, certainly way too long. Way too long. That's okay though. There's no edge. Like, whatever you want to talk about, get above 942 on cake and things will be better. Christian Dutton says, stop, mate. Stop. It's not funny, man. Just stop, dude. Just stop, man. Next NFT, I don't know. Let me ask Chaylin. I don't know when we'll be ready, Chaylin. I'm gonna say chat is wondering when the NFT will be ready, mate.
Gala USD, please. Thanks, Browski.
Sacrifice as much. You know the Gala? We'll go to the Gala. We'll go to 7th grade Gala, 8th grade Gala. That's all I remember about Gala, dude, okay? I went to the Gala, and that's when I actually ended up liking country music. Ironically, it's so weird, dude. Gala hit a 786, not an 886, and rallied. Wow, what a rally. Crazy. Right, used to look at low to high. My god, dude, it hit an 886. Wow, it was a Bartley, dude. It was like a stupid mega Bartley. Good, sweet mother of God. Look at this thing, man. It's just like you can't make this. You can't make the 886 wave structure up. 886, and it eventually rallied. It's like, it reminds me of Hex before Hex blew up and went to 34 cents again, right? I mean, for real, it's like, Hex, you gonna do something? Stop being a scrub loser, and then finally it reacts at the level where it normally does react, right? Yeah, man. Kidding me? The 886. So if it was gonna rally and we're talking about support resistance, there's nothing that exists until 36 cents. I mean, but you can rally, make a type 2 return, but 36 cents is your next resistance support, okay? Yeah, and 886 Jesus, man. That's it, dude. That's life. That's the life we know. We know, man. All right. But look, dude. Okay, I've been live all this time, so I'm gonna get out of here. I just wanted to spend some time here with y'all for a minute and, you know, just say thanks for everything. And that's kind of all the time these streams are now these days. Just saying thanks, man, and the overwhelming support and love y'all showing me is unparalleled, and I still can't believe it, and I'll never get used to it. Like, I never will. So thanks for everything, and I really appreciate the time we've spent together for the past 3 hours 15 minutes, and we're just waiting on Bitcoin to see if it can break 42K. It would be, incredible development if it does, but mainly you want to see 44K broke. I think if you break 42K and back test it, testing and breaking 44, 45K is not going to be that difficult. So I'm going to leave it to y'all. Thank you so much for the likes, love, support, contributions, everything in between. Dude, for real, like, I can't even believe Kevin Hindsight and Bob Waltz and, the Hexicans, Jeff H coming in here like crazy, man. So grateful. Gale, and I'm throwing the big guns down like Hamdi and Tarnak and Jail Humor. It's like, more Hamdi and CPT, more Jeff H, man. Roberto, man, coming in that C note. Matthew, Karan, man, all, dude, blowing it up, man, early. Thank you, man. I'm very grateful. All right, and yeah, just like the crazy tips, man, like that. It's got to be readdressed. Thank y'all so much. Right? I try to be grateful when it happens, but just to recap on it, thank y'all, and I'll just leave you to it, and I will be back. And thanks everyone that has joined Patreon and still remains a part of the Patreon. It's just talk about lifeblood. Y'all are it. Y'all are the reason why everything continues to be as it is and only gets better. So I'll be back. Until next time, respect the T, Ed.
Bruh.
Hey, Auburner, not yet, man. Like, we gotta get way lower prices before we start doing some Stevie Ray Vaughan, if that's what you're talking about, dude. Roll Tide, though, sorry. Alright, I just got done doing things okay. Alright, everybody. My JP, Robot John. I like robots. Okay. Audio stir nuggets. Okay.